Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is sponsored by Sam's Beauty. So thank you so much, Sam's, for being a continued supportive sponsor and partner for this channel. You making it happen right here for Jess the Dragoness. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you put on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from me, and stay tuned for the video. Alright you guys, so this is the hair that I received from Sam's Beauty. It is a deep wave, and I did make it into a unit. It does have a frontal on it. I think I have a clip of the unboxing. If I do, I'll go ahead and stick it in right now. So yeah, this is the hair. I did have to do a lot for the hairline, so I'm hoping that the hairline is plucked really well at this point. I did also bleach the knots, which I over bleached them, so we'll see how I can work that out. I did not wash or air dry the bundles, so the only part of this hair that's been washed, conditioned, and air dried is the frontal, because I did that after I bleached the knots. So it looks like it's still blending pretty well right now. So I'm going to go ahead and take off my head wrap. If you like this head wrap, it is on my website. It's available on GLEEmade.com, so you can go ahead and grab you one. And yeah, so I also got a package today, and I think it may be something useful to go ahead and get this wig together. So here we have exactly what I thought. This is by WigStensions. WigStensions. It's their lace tint spray, and it is semi-permanent for lace wigs. It's a 2.7 ounce container, and this is in the shade Mocha, and this one is in the shade Golden, and this last one is in the shade Beige. And it looks like on the back you have your shade ranges and how many pumps it takes for that shade to come together. So for the shade, so you can get different depths based on how many pumps. So for this color of beige, based on the different amount of pumps that you use, these are the shades that you can achieve. WigStensions Shake and Slay is a black owned brand, and it is lace tints. So I will go ahead and try out these lace tints for you guys today. So I have examples of each one, and I sprayed them the different amount of times. So this one is Golden. This is 3 pumps, 5 pumps, and 8 pumps. It's not completely dry yet, but I'm sure you can kind of get a feel of the depth of shade range. This one is the Beige. This is 3, 5, and 8. So the shade range is very, very different. You can see. And lastly is Mocha, which is the darkest shade, and that's 3 and 5 and 8. So you can see even the difference between Golden and Mocha. I think for me, I'm gonna go with Golden. I think my shade range will be closer to like Golden in an 8 pump, and then maybe like 1 or 2 pumps of Mocha combined together should be a really decent match for me. So the best way I could think to do this was just to turn the wig inside out. So there it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there you go. There's the lace tint. It smells so good. It smells very fragrant. I don't know if the fragrance will last, but it definitely smells fragrant. And you can see that the color is different. because the lace down here is a totally different color than the lace up here. And the best part about this is you no longer have to use your foundation. So if you watch my channel, I always use my foundation to go ahead and tint my lace because I didn't have any lace tint. But the good people over at Cosmo Biz were kind enough to send me these. I was so excited to be able to receive them. So thank you so much, Cosmo Biz, and thank you so much, WigStensions, a fellow black-owned brand. So you know I'm all about it. If this works out, you guys, this may be the new thing, okay?